Drugs and alcohol can allow people to reveal their true selves, but it can also reveal dark impulses, or even make people do things they would never dare imagine while sober. In Regina versus Kingston, an English court had to determine a man's culpability when his criminal impulse manifested after being involuntarily drugged. Following a business dispute in England, Penn was hired to obtain damaging photos against Kingston. Penn knew that Kingston was homosexual and had pedophiliac tendencies. So Penn secretly slipped drugs into Kingston's drink, as well as a teen boy's drink. Then Penn invited both up to his room. Although the drugs caused the boy to fall asleep, Kingston was awake and alert. Penn and Kingston proceeded to sexually assault the boy, while Penn recorded and took photos of the assault. Kingston was charged with indecent assault at Lewes Crown Court. At trial, very little evidence was presented concerning the effect of the drug on Kingston. One expert mentioned that the type of drug used wouldn't make a person do anything that they weren't inclined to do without the drug. At the trial's conclusion, the judge instructed the jury that Kingston couldn't be convicted of the assault if he didn't intend to commit the crime. However, the judge noted that even when drugged, a person could still form the requisite intent. Kingston was convicted by the jury and sentenced to 5 years in prison. Kingston appealed to the Court of Appeal. He argued that even if a person intentionally commits a criminal act, they can't be blamed for that act if the intent was formed involuntarily. The Court of Appeal agreed. It explained that when a defendant is induced to perform an illegal act by involuntarily ingesting a drink or drug that causes him to lose self-control, he can't form the required mens rea to commit the offense. As a result, the defendant must be acquitted. Accordingly, the Court of Appeal reversed Kingston's conviction. The prosecution appealed to the House of Lords.